Ne, spicca, lei, ciao, jaz sem grem v Slovenijo, adijo, ciao, ciao. Ah! Sorry, thought I was alone.
Well, maybe you are.
But I'm... never mind.
Miss, what's the 9-letter word for dream?
I don't know. Noćna mora?
Oh, yes, actually, but there has to be a T in it. Plus, Americans don't really like using other languages.
Nightmare?
Ah, that's it. Nightmare. So, what brings you here?
Dirty laundry.
Yeah, dirty laundry, I know, but what brings you here, to America?
Wait, who says I'm not American?
I heard you on the phone, honey. Maybe we should work on our inside voices if you don't want people eavesdropping.
Sorry. I guess I've just never met anyone here who speaks Slovene. Well, I guess I'm here to make a better life.
Tell me.
I'd move to the countryside. I'd buy a house and plant a garden, and I'd get a real husband, not just a green card one. And I'd get a cat too, name him Titus or something stupid like that. And I'd get a cat now, but the landlady won't allow it. Plus, can't afford it anyways.
And how's that dream working out?
Oh, just peachy.
Oh, so we're making things up now. Okay. Look, I know you're not happy.
I am.
Then you're kidding yourself. Here, let me guess. You break your back to work overtime every week.
It's called work ethic.
You want a new job, but you're too burnt out to look.
Focusing on myself right now.
You want to prove to your mom that you can make something of yourself here.
I will.
But every time she calls, nothing has ever changed. Whatever this dream of yours is, it's not happening. Not here. You're stuck, Lolly.
How do you know my name?
Who do you think I am? The name's Lucifer. So you've heard of me. All good things, I hope. Here, take a seat. Look, I know what it's like to want out. I do. Sometimes the system's just not built for you.
I don't know what to do. I'm not making progress here. I can't go back to Slovenia. I feel trapped there, but I feel trapped here and I have no money to go anywhere else. And
Hey, shh, it's okay. I know what it's like to want out. I also know what it's like to get out. How's about this? You give me a little something, I'll give you a little something. Capiche?
Okay. I'm done.